All right, guys, we're back in LA and we're going to Sugar Taco. And Adam here is going to try the hottest ghost pepper burrito or taco or something like that. So let's go check it out. We got carne asada, the pollo, and the carnitas. Those are with the guac. Yes, the ghost taco. And what is this? Nachos? Nachos. And what do you got over there that you've already?
Oh, I couldn't help myself. This is an asada quesadilla.
Asada quesadilla.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
So I got 3 tacos. I got the asada and the carnitas and the al pastor.
I'm gonna try one of these. I don't know which is which, but I'm gonna try one of these. How are the nachos, by the way?
Really good. Feel free to dig in.
All right. And how are your fish tacos?
Haven't tried them yet, but they look scrumptious.
They have that breaded tofu. These were recommended by the owners. How is it?
It's amazing. Oh my goodness. I had Pancho's tacos the other day in Long Beach and they're really good as well. But this is quite different. I feel like the sauces are so different. It's like a different approach to tacos, but they're all excellent.
I gotta try this horchata too.
It's good. They added oat milk in there,
Oat
which
milk.
I've never had horchata with oat milk before, so I love it.
And how about that container?
Oh yeah.
It's really good, seriously.
Yeah, it looks good. Who would have thunk? A piece of tofu.
The line.
Is that the fish?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It's almost, you don't really want to eat this, right? It just looks so pretty.
But there it goes. This is gonna be messy. That's probably the asada. It's super good. I love it. We've only had it here in LA. You guys gotta come here. Sugar Taco. All right, so this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Adam's gonna try the ghost taco, which is the hottest taco around LA. He's got his horchata just in case.
Yeah. All right, let's do this.
Oh, he took a big bite. Look at that bite.
Mark's trying to feel it.
They said it comes in waves. What's it? Explain. What's it feel like?
It's like, it's not taking that big of a bite.
Would you say you're not
I
gonna?
shouldn't have taken that big of a bite.
See how long you can go without the horchata. Are you normally okay with hot things?
Oh yeah.
Rate it 1 to 10.
Are you okay?
Heat-wise? I mean, it's a 10. Clearly, it's a 10. I'd say it tastes good, but it's just fucking hot.
Do you need a drink?
I'm trying to not do the drink, but
Okay.
How are the flowers?
flowers are good.
Yeah. They're not hot.
Can I drink it now?
Yeah. Did you like really tried not to drink it, but you had to?
So would you recommend?
Is it
Not for fun, but yeah, just to like do it.
Is it going away?
No, it's not going anywhere.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
My eyes watering.
Not really. A little
I
bit.
can feel it.
A little bit of relief when you drink that.
Yeah, but now it's starting to. Alright.
There's the culprit right there. Thanks for doing this for the video.
Sinuses are.
We're gonna have to be like 5 minutes later.
It's not going anywhere, dude. Like, I don't even want to take another bite.
You don't have to.
Wow. I wonder how many people get through it.
Do you want to take a bite of the other half?
I kind of want to try it.
Oh my God, do it.
I'm too curious. I don't know. Am I gonna be in pain? I don't have any horchata.
I don't know how.
I only have. It's juice. This is good, right? And water. I'll be fine. I'm just too curious.
We have another contestant.
I gotta get to that place. I gotta get on your level.
All right, here we go. We have contestant number 2.
No. All right, it's fine. It's just like getting on Guardian's Mission Breakout Tower of Terror. It's just like before you go on a roller coaster. Like, it's gonna be great. I'm gonna enjoy it. All right.
Meanwhile, that was a pretty big bite. All right.
What have I done? Oh God, it gets worse after this.
Explain it to us.
It's like my whole body. It's like the mouth, obviously. It's mostly in the mouth, but it's like my whole body is like waves of heat over my entire body, like starting from my head all the way down to my toes. It's like ASMR, that kind of feeling, but
Like,
spicy.
I'm still feeling it. Like,
It's like the tingles all over.
It's still not going anywhere. It's still there.
It's been about 5 minutes for you.
I feel like there's literally fire in my mouth. It's exciting. It's adrenaline. I'm gonna be sweating for a little bit. But it is. Yeah, I just went on Guardians of the Galaxy the other day, and it's an elevator ride that goes up and down, but it doesn't just drop you. It like undulates, and it really makes you clammy and like sweaty and like too much adrenaline. That's what I'm feeling right now.
I was kind of challenged by someone working here that, oh, you didn't finish it, so we're gonna finish this.
Oh my God, he did it all at once.
It's hard to say whether it's like more or less terrifying now that you know what you're in for, right? I think it's even more terrifying knowing what you're about to go through.
It's so hot right now. How are you feeling?
Feeling like impending doom.
It is that doom feeling. It's like you're on a bad trip. Like, oh, I've taken too many drugs now. Like it's gonna be a bad trip.
You're hiding it pretty well because it doesn't seem like anything is wrong. Describe how it feels.
Now I'm starting to feel. I feel it on the tongue, which is not good.
Do you feel it like throughout your whole body? Yeah, it's like the waves throughout the whole body.
It feels to you.
It was the hottest. I eat hot things all the time. I love spicy things, right? I ask for extra spicy wherever I go.
Was it the hottest you've ever had?
Yeah, no, this was another level. Like, I always am kind of skeptical when people are like, this is the hottest. I'm like, sure it is, whatever, you know? But this was really another leap from other hot things I've had. It was like, it was an out-of-body experience. For probably a good 5 minutes, I was like, not myself.
I feel like you handled it pretty well.
Did that seem normal?
Sure.
I've had a lot of practice seeming normal.
Thanks to Adam and Lisa. You can follow her over on Happiest Vegan on Earth. All right, guys, there you have it. Sugar Taco in LA on Melrose. If you guys are ever in the area, definitely stop in, try the tacos, try the asada, try the fish taco, all vegan. Everything in here is vegan, horchata. And if you feel up to it, try the ghost taco and let me know how it goes. All right, if you like the video, thumbs up, share it, subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and eat some tacos.